One of the questions I always get from teams: what should the budget look like? How do we answer? What does the recommendation cost? I've coached 302 Has Gained teams to over 180 podium finishes. You must provide a clear, realistic budget for any initiative, especially in case competitions. This is part of the Case Financials and Excel Mastery series. Turn numbers into compelling insights. Let's talk about how to build a budget that scales properly and looks professional. The rule is simple: every recommendation needs a budget. The biggest challenge is often a lack of information. You don't know the exact costs or savings. Pre-case practice and quick research on industries helps you set realistic expectations. The key principle is scale matters. The project must be large enough to matter to your audience, the CEO or the CFO, but it must also be realistic for the size of the organization. Don't spend too much or spend too little, and make sure that it will be attractive to the audience. Always separate one-time costs from ongoing costs. This makes you look like you understand how companies actually operate. Build your story with realistic assumptions. Use industry benchmarks. For example, IT spend is typically around 3% of revenue. Break down big numbers into smaller, relatable pieces, savings per flight or specific route. Show the logic with the assumptions this project pays for itself through, and continue your story with that. A $100 million online ticketing project for a medium-sized airline only makes sense if you show the savings, e.g., per flight or per route, and how it fits their overall operations. In this airline example, a $100 million investment is needed, which is equal to approximately 10,000 full flights of online ticket purchases to make sense. Showing the per unit impact makes the numbers more credible. When presenting the budget, make it visual and easy to follow. Tie it back to the organization's current sale. This is 55% of their current IT budget. Show the project's material enough to interest senior management, but grounded in reality. Doesn't want to see you've thought about feasibility. A well-constructed budget with clear assumptions builds enormous credibility. There you have it: how to build and present a realistic scale budget that answers cost questions convincingly. This is part of the Case Financials and Excel Mastery series. Turn numbers into compelling insights. Drop a comment. What's your biggest struggle when building budgets and cases? Scale, assumptions, or presentation? Subscribe and hit the bell for the rest of the series. Cam Welsh out. Go make your budgets realistic and your recommendations credible.